Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A red FN2 on the Dyno, and outside the Honda meet is starting. End of the month. Every last Saturday of the month we do a Honda meet here, but today we're going to tune this car in front of a live studio audience. We're going to try and find out what's in the yard if we get time. We've got lots to do today, so we'll go round, look at all the different cars, but thanks for being here. Let's get on with it. So she's strapped down and the coffee man has arrived, so people are starting to eat and drink, which is fantastic. We're going to do an initial power run on this car. It's got some modifications. Let me tell you what it's got. It's got a Dyno induction kit, which is the problem, which I think is why it's actually here, to be fair. It bogs down, so we're going to tune it to make that not happen. It's also got a Jap Speed 4-to-1 and a Scorpion exhaust system. So I don't think this is going to set the world on fire today, but we're certainly going to increase the drivability of it and get some mid-range gains. I'm hoping to get out into the yard and take a load of photographs of some cars soon, but let's get an initial power run done and see where we go. Okay, so we've done the initial power run and it made 212 brake horsepower. We've now flashed the stock ECU with Ecotec Race ROM. That gives us there's the stock ECU. That gives us the ability to start tuning. So 212, let's see if we can make something. We've got to be able to make it drive better. This Dyno induction kit tends to be everybody's problem at the moment, but it's just the nature of the design of where the MAF sensor sits, I think. But okay, let's do it. Well, another one in the bag. It's extremely busy out there, so I'm itching to get out and see what amazing Honda cars there are out there. But this was FN2, like I said at the start of the video, Dynodaze induction kit. We're seeing this a lot now. People are buying the cheapest induction kit they can find, and they're swiftly realising that it just doesn't drive very nice
It's the only
anymore.
kit that doesn't allow the car to drive properly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like any other kit we've ever fitted, you can put it on and you could drive it around with no problems. Obviously, if you want to get it mapped at some point, you will. But with this Dynodaze kit, it goes on and the car drives like crap.
Yes.
So
this one's got a Dynodaze induction kit. It's got a Jap Speed 4:1, as you've just seen some flames, and it's got a Scorpion twin exit, which is only 2.25 inch. It's finished on 216. It's pretty much where we expect it to be.
Yeah, 100% where we expect it to be. This is the third one in probably 2 weeks, ain't it, that we've done on this Dynodaze induction kit. So it is becoming seems to be, they're cheap, so people are buying them, and now we're starting to see them come through with obviously running issues.
They don't work out cheap, you know, if you buy them and then you have to spend £600 mapping them.
Oh, yeah, I get that. But if they
say that though, the HKS is like 480 quid. That doesn't cause any problems.
No, it doesn't.
So that's probably twice the price, if maybe even 3 times the price.
Yeah.
So probably the next cheapest kit up. But yeah, but there you
it
go.
Doesn't bother the risk because we're getting paid.
No, I like that bit.
Yeah, I like that part. Yeah,
I like that bit. I don't know whether you guys realise this, but I like getting paid. No, I'm not I am a mercenary. I'll do out
for money.
For money.
Yeah. Well, let's not get into that conversation. That's a whole different conversation. What Dan will do for 20 quid.
In the comments below, what will Dan do for 20 quid?
Yeah.
And
then we'll try and answer yes or no.
And the best answer, I'll take you 20 quid
I'll
off
take
you.
20 quid off you, yeah. So whatever you're offering, make sure you're willing to...
Yeah, make sure you want to see that happen.
Yeah.
Right, cool.
Let's look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph, and let's go and find out what other cars are in the yard.
Yeah.
Well, say with me, lads, red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves, and as you can see, 216, we've managed to smooth it out. We've got some power in the mid-range, which is definitely going to feel, and that Dynodaze induction kit's going to actually do what it's supposed to do now, so really, really good result there. Well, here we go, a beautiful EP3 as well today. Well, you may recognise this one from earlier in the week on the YouTube channel. Let's see if it's got some power. It's got some cams in it, so and obviously it's lighter than most cars. So let's find out if she's quick. Well, yes, a K20, as you know. Oil. The customer actually topped up his oil outside this morning. But if you need oil at home to top up your Honda Civic or any car, our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk, offers all manner, let me get my words out, all manner of oils, including 5W40 fully synthetic, which is what we use. I personally use the Mollygen, which is great oil. But you could go to their website, www.worldoflubricant.co.uk, and use the code DYNO at the checkout and save a load of money. So go and do that. Well, it's late on in the day, but there's still cars here, which is wicked. There's a couple of Lewis's. Here's a car that Lewis hasn't destroyed yet. And here's a... Oh dear, there's Lewis. My FN2. I've enjoyed driving that today. It didn't look like that when I got here this morning. EP3, another Halloween FN2. Look at that. Wicked. Beautiful FN2, Angelics. Here's Barry's. Look at that. He's made the effort. I'll have to get some trophies out in a minute. FN2 by Ed. Oh, that's a nice one, ain't it? Silver's nice. Silver EP3. Mugen in for some work, so that's been dropped off. Look at that beauty there. That's good. Hey up, mate. That's gorgeous. We're over here. That's a quick one. You see that on the dyno earlier. Look at this. I'm told to ignore the rear arches, but it is a lovely car, isn't it? Lovely car. I don't think you're quite getting a trophy for that one, Ricky, but at least you've made the effort. Great car. Look at that. Gorgeous. Another beautiful FN2. It's Adams. We've got to take pops and bangs off this one in a bit because he's on a track day. So we're going to leave the flaming launch control on because that's on a switch, but the pops and bangs we're going to turn off because he's on a track day. But yeah, what a wicked day. The coffee man's gone. The sky is blue. Yeah, fantastic. What a day. Thank you ever so much, everyone that turned up. Thank you to all you guys that watch these videos on YouTube. Don't forget in the comments below, what would Danny do for 20 quid? And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.